Hey guys, Joey from Carns Equipment. Today we have for you a 2025 Kayo Predator 110. Really nice ATV here. You can see it's got the sporty styling on the fenders. Very nice ATV if your child's moving up from, the 70cc, 90cc area. This is a 6 and over ATV, so your child does have to be 6 years of age or older to ride it. This machine is fully automatic. Start it, hit the gas, it's going to go. You have emergency, parking brakes here on either side. Really cool thing with these ATVs, you have 2 kill switches. So you have a tether right here, so this piece can go on the child's pants or something, where if they fall off, it's going to pull this off, kill the machine. Then you also have this remote here, so you can keep that on you if stuff's getting crazy, kids are doing something nuts, pulling wheelies, you can hit that button, you can kill the machine right there. Machine does have reverse, forward, and neutral. Come on down to Carns Equipment, take a look at it, let's size your kid up, see what size they need, and you can take one of them home.